Now we have some big breaking coming in. Rajnath Singh's direct attack on Rahul Gandhi on line of actual control standoff. Rajnath accuses Rahul Gandhi of misleading people over Chinese capturing our land. He further added that Rahul Gandhi claims that their government would have thrown out the Chinese army in 3 hours, but we all know what the UPA did in the past. This is Rajnath Singh now upping the ante against Rahul Gandhi, lashes out at Rahul Gandhi for comments on the line of actual control standoff. In fact, Rajnath Singh directly attacks Rahul Gandhi and accuses Rahul of misleading people over the Chinese capturing Indian land. Let's take a listen, Rajnath Singh, what he said.
ये लोग गलत गलत प्रचार कर रहे हैं, तरह तरह के वादे कर रहे हैं, और कांग्रेस के एक नेता ये कहते हैं कि हमारी सरकार रहती तो हम 3 दिन के अंदर चीन को बाहर कर देते। मैं किसी प्रधानमंत्री को दोषी नहीं ठहराना चाहता, लेकिन 1962 में जो कुछ भी हुआ है, अब मैं उसकी याद भी नहीं दिलाना चाहता हूं आप सबको। लेकिन बहनों भाइयों, उसके बाद तो लंबे समय तक आपकी ही सरकार थी, आपने क्या किया है? और मैं राहुल जी आपको बतलाना चाहता हूं, जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंक कर राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। यदि कलेजे वाला इंसान होगा तो जनता की आंख में आंख मिलाकर वह राजनीति करेगा, जनता को गुमराह करके राजनीति नहीं करेगा।
And that's Rajnath Singh who questions Rahul Gandhi, asking if Prime Minister Modi is scared of China. Those are the comments made by Rahul Gandhi just yesterday ahead of the Prime Minister's address. Rahul Gandhi questioned on what is the position of India and China along the line of actual control, asking if the Prime Minister was scared of China or was scared of throwing China out of Indian soil. Now, the Defence Minister comes out, Rajnath Singh hits out at Rahul Gandhi and accuses Rahul Gandhi of being pally with China. And he says that we know what Rahul Gandhi has done in the past. He further added that Rahul claims that their government could have thrown the Chinese army in 3 hours. But Rajnath Singh says they know very well what the UPA government did in the past. Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us live. Kamaljeet, quite a natural reaction coming in from the BJP Defence Minister Rajnath Singh now hitting out at Rahul Gandhi for questioning on the standoff along the line of actual control. Here is Rajnath Singh who says we know what the UPA would have done and what they did in the past, in fact.
Well, this is obviously not a new fight, and this is not going to be the last one, but Rajnath Singh making a scathing comment on what Rahul Gandhi has been saying along. And remember, Rahul Gandhi has been riling up the BJP government, making allegations, saying a lot of territory has been lost to China. This is something which has been denied vehemently by BJP and by the top ministers, whether it's Amit Shah, whether it's Rajnath Singh. They have said not an inch of land. And as a matter of fact, they've turned the tables around. They have targeted the Congress government, earlier governments, saying that it was during their regime that territory was lost. They've made mention of Nehru Gandhi family, the 1962 war, saying how a territory was ceded to them. So clearly this is a war of words which is happening at the time where tensions have still not subsided between the Indian and the Chinese army. So very clearly a fresh escalation after Rahul Gandhi rakes up the issue of LSE once again. More politics is going to happen, and remember there is also the elections which are around the corner as far as Bihar is concerned, and there is obviously a genuine concern which the opposition has raised. But remember, this matter was also brought out before Parliament during the Parliament session, and this is where things really lie. A blame game which is currently on. At this point of time, Rajnath Singh sharpening his attack against Rahul Gandhi.
Right, Kamaljeet, thank you very much. But do stay with us. We have more news and updates coming in on the other side.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.